At No Gap Insulation, we don't just remove insulation. We revolutionise the process with advanced technology. Our insulation removal truck is equipped with the state-of-the-art HEPA filter vacuum system, a game changer in the industry. A HEPA filter vacuum isn't your standard vacuum component. It forces air through an ultra-fine mesh, capturing particles as small as microscopic pollen, mold spores, and even tobacco smoke. This ensures that dust, allergens, and harmful particles are trapped securely and don't escape into the air. Unlike conventional vacuums, our system is designed to protect not just the environment, but also the health of our team and your family. For those with allergies or asthma, this means cleaner, safer air during and after the removal process. Paired with our professional-grade insulation removal truck, the HEPA filter vacuum makes our process faster, cleaner, and more efficient, setting a new standard in insulation services. When you choose No Gap Insulation, you're choosing precision, quality, and safety. Contact us today to learn more about a quote and how we can help you about insulating your home.